In today's video, I'll show you how to regenerate thumbnails in WordPress. This is especially helpful if your images look incorrect after switching themes or changing image sizes. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard and open the plugin section from the left menu. Click Add New and search for Regenerate Thumbnails. When the plugin appears, click Install, then Activate. Once the plugin is active, go to the Tools section in your dashboard and select Regenerate Thumbnails. This page allows you to rebuild all image thumbnails using your current theme and media settings. Click Regenerate All Thumbnails to start the process. If your site has many images, this may take a few minutes, so be patient. You will see a progress indicator while the plugin works through your media library. When the process is complete, your thumbnails will be refreshed and properly aligned with your current design settings. This helps keep your site looking clean, consistent, and professional. And that's it. You've successfully regenerated thumbnails in WordPress. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.